or down, the share is in sideways. It tells us that maybe in the future the share have some opportunity. Okay. Then another one, if we see the STI is down and the price is sideways or up, so this share is stronger. Okay. So we should find the shares like this. So let's return back to this share. This share you can pay attention or not? Can pay attention or not? Yes, but we can see here the share is penny stock because only 60 cents. Okay, maybe you think 6 cents. Sorry, 6 cents. Okay, so we see the share is 6 cents. So it tells us that maybe we can pay attention and we can see the multicolor dragon and the price and the volume. Then we can decide whether can buy or not. Okay. Then we see another one. I give you some. This share is quite strong, right? High P. High P is strong, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we see this one. Yeah. Okay, firstly, let's see the pattern. The pattern is good or not. The share is down, then sideways, right? Still in sideways. So down here, down to here, then have some rebound. So the low point is confirmed, right? Then when to buy. Just now I taught you some method. When to buy. When we see the price touch this low point again, it's the buy point, okay? And we can see here, we can see this is the big volume. Okay, high volume, right? What's that meaning? The share is in sideways, but they have some high volume. If the price is up, then have some this big high volume, sell or not? Sell, okay? So here, it tells us that strong resistance, okay? Then if we see this, pay attention, then this one, we can see the multicolor dragon. So here, we buy or not? This point, we buy or not?
Buy.
Okay, firstly, let's see. The green MCD disappear, and the red MCD above 25, and the purple line up or down? Up, and inside the red MCD. So here we buy or not? Okay, if you buy, you can earn some money because you buy here. Okay, so this is some method. Then I can give you some example. Then you can tell me sell or not. Okay, then we see this one. Okay, this share is strong or not? Okay, then we see this stock. We see here, sell or not? So we should know sell or not. So here, if we see this candlestick and we can see the multicolor dragon, so this point we sell or not? Why? Green MCD appears and the high volume. So maybe here, the red MCD is still above 50, right? So here we sell or not? Here we sell, okay? But if you sell, the price is also the same, right? So maybe you think, maybe I sell at wrong point, but you should see here. If you sell here, this time, this period, you can earn money or not? Still cannot, because the share is still in sideways. So we can use this money to buy another strong shares, okay? So this is the method. Then we can continue our course. This is the summary about Dragon Turning Week. This strategy is to help you to see whether the uptrend is about to end and to discern whether the banker is lying his chip to distribute his chips to you. So you will need to combine MCD pattern with the primary trend of the stock and the phase of the stock to strengthen your judgment. Generally, an experienced trader will abstain from trading on a stock whose trend is turning weak. So if you see the uptrend is changed, you should sell, cannot keep, okay? So the next one is about dragon planning escape. It's also the sell point. This strategy helps you to become familiar with top formation and be wary of tricks and traps laid by the banker to distribute his chips to you. Okay, so we can see this is some meaning. Then we cannot see here. Then we see this one. Once the banker has pushed price up to his target, he needs to distribute his chips discreetly without being discovered by others. He needs to follow favorable news or chart pattern. So what's that meaning? If the banker wants to distribute his chips, what will they do? Maybe they will set some good news. So maybe you think this is the good news. After the good news, the price drop, right? And another one, they will set some pattern, maybe like the M and like this. So this is the pattern. Maybe they will form this chart pattern to sell their chip, to distribute their chips. So you should pay attention. Then we see here, the stock may have entered into its last stage of short-term accumulation. If this pace cannot be maintained, the banker may have started distribution if we see the volume is unusually large, or the breakout is not accompanied by an obvious increase in volume, or the volume increase cannot be maintained. So last time I already taught you. We can see the MCD environment. The red MCD reduce and the yellow MCD increase. The purple line turns down and breaks below 75%. As price moves up, red MCD declines, forming a divergence. Even though the red MCD is conspicuously declining, the price continues to rise rapidly, but the rise cannot last a time. So what's that meaning? We see here. This is the dragon planning escape. So we can see here, the price is higher. The high point is higher than previous. And we can see the MCD decrease. We can see here. This is the high point. Then we can see the MCD decrease. Sell or not? Sell, okay? It tells us that the dragon planning escape. So we can see another one. This share. We can see the dragon planning escape. The price is still go up, right? And we can see the red MCD decrease. We sell or not? Sell. Okay. Then we see this one. The dragon planning escape. We can see the high point is higher, and the red MCD create new high or not? Not yet. We also should sell out. Okay. So we see this point, this price. The dragon, we see here the price up and create new high, but we can see the multicolor dragon cannot create a new high. It tells us that we should prepare to sell out. Okay. Then we see this one is the same. The price is up and the multicolor dragon is down, so we should sell. Then we can see some shares. So this one is the same, right? Because the price is up and the MCD still up, right? It's the same. Then we see this one, we already saw this one. This one maybe have chance, but we should wait, okay? Pay attention. And we can see this one is also the same. Okay, we see here, we see this share. The price is up, right? Here we can see this is the high point is higher, but the MCD decrease. So when you see this situation, sell or not? Sell, okay? Don't hesitate, you should sell. Maybe if you sell, the price up or not? Up, then you can buy again, okay? Because here you sell, the price is sideways. Then if you see this candlestick, buy or not? Can buy again. So maybe you think, teacher, you already told me sell. Then I will lose chance to earn more money. But we can see if the buy point appears again, you also can buy, okay? So here maybe we can buy again. Then we see another one. We see this price. The high point never confirmed, so we still wait. But we can see the high point confirmed or not. It's confirmed, right? Okay, the high point is higher than previous. Then we can see the multicolor dragon decrease or increase? Decrease. So here you sell or not? Sell, okay? Maybe you sell the share still in sideways, but you can avoid some risk, okay? Then we see this one, we already saw this one. Okay, we see here. This share is very strong during this period. Then we see here. So during this period, we see the price is up or not? Up. The MCD is the same, so we cannot judge. This belongs to dragon. Maybe we cannot sell here. Okay. We see another one. So we can see when to sell. Okay, we see this point, the high point. So this one you sell or not? We can see the high point is higher. The MCD also high, increase. So never sell, okay? So let's see this share. So we see here, sell or not? Sell or not at this point? Why? because we see here, the price higher, right? And the red MCD decrease, sell or not? Sell, okay? You should sell out your shares. Then you can avoid some risk, right? Okay, so this is the sell point. You should prepare, you should know. Okay, let's see some notes. It's important to pay attention to the primary trend because different phases of a stock's life cycle may also display similar MCD pattern. If the primary trend is up or white, homely lines have not merged to turn down. So we may only view these patterns as the retracement of a medium-term trend. So what's that meaning? Okay, we see this one. This share is uptrend or downtrend? Obvious uptrend because we can see the homely rainbow lines. The white line goes up, then blue line goes up. And we can see here, the price is higher, right? And the MCD decrease. But if you see the price, the homely rainbow lines still up, it tells us that like this, we just treat this phase as medium-term retracement. Okay, medium-term retracement. So you should prepare, you should know. If you want to do long-term investment, so maybe here you never sell. If you do short-term investment, so here you sell or not? Sell, okay? It's different. Then we see this one. This is the summary about dragon planning escape. This is an effective strategy for identifying the top to improve your possibility of success. You need to exercise your discretion nimbly and give consideration to the banker's chip operation, wave pattern, and market trend. So what's the wave pattern? We already learned the wave, right? So wave is like this. Maybe some members learned this before. Okay, so what's the wave pattern? Wave pattern is like this. This is the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3, the wave 4, the wave 5. So what's that meaning? This is the wave 1 for uptrend. This is for the retracement. This is the low point, high point. And this is the 3. Then this is the wave 3. So we can see here how to judge the wave pattern is successful or not, success or not. So we see here from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 3. From 2 to 3, this period is double this period. So can you understand what I'm meaning? So maybe here, maybe this the distance is the same with this distance, or it's double to this distance. Can you understand? Okay. So this is the 4. If this is the low point down to here, so the wave theory is failure. Okay. Then it's above this 2. Maybe the wave theory is success. So let's see the STI index. Then we see here. This is we can treat as wave 1, right? This wave 1, okay? Then this wave 2 can or not? Yes. This is wave 3 or wave 3 can or not? Can. Then wave 4, right or not? Right. Okay. So we can see this is the wave 5. Wave 5 means the last rise. Okay, the last rise. So if the wave theory finishes, so maybe the next one is A, then B, then C. This is the downtrend. Okay.
You see that wave 5, that wave 5
yeah.
is longer than wave 3 also.
No, cannot longer. The wave 3 is the longest. Okay?
Wave 5 can be any length.
Cannot. Wave 5 maybe shorter. Wave 5 should shorter than wave 3. Okay? And wave 3 is the longest. Wave 3 can be similar with wave 1, but cannot shorter than wave 1. Okay? So this is the wave theory. Then we should remember this. Then we see another one. Last time we learned 10 MCD warfare strategies. So I don't know whether you can remember or not, because we already learned 10 tactics. Maybe we will forget, right? Then we can review. The first one, we learned dragon with regret. So this strategy helps you to exit the trade timely upon the end of a major uptrend. This is the wave 1. This is the first one. The second one is dragon returning to the sea. This strategy helps you to determine whether the downtrend is complete and to differentiate between real and phantom trade accumulation by the bank so as to avoid vesting in the stock. Then we review this one, then later I will show some examples, then you can decide, okay? The 3, dragon at sea bet. This strategy helps you to identify a real bottom so as to bottom catch. The fourth one, dragon testing mask. This strategy helps you to identify whether the banker is testing the market to enable you to buy on rebound from retracement. Then the next one, dragon rear its head. This strategy helps you to catch the banker's first action in pushing up the price, and is an opportunity for you to add position. The next one, dragon takes control. This strategy helps you to determine whether the banker has full control of the stock and is ready to accelerate the rally. This is another chance to add position. Then the next one, dragon turning over. This strategy helps you to determine whether the banker has complete flushing out weak players in the course of an uptrend and gives you another chance to add position. Dragon flying high. This strategy helps you to ride the trend when the stock is in the advanced stage of accumulation. Then we can see this one. Dragon turning weak. This strategy helps you to identify the trend turning weak and to avoid entering into a weak trend. The last one, dragon planning escape. This strategy helps you to become familiar with top formation and be wary of tricks and traps laid by the banker to distribute his chips to you. Okay, so we already reviewed the 10. Then I give you some examples. Then we can decide whether can buy or not, or when to sell, when to buy. Okay, so can you give me some examples? Blue Moon. Maybe Blue Moon in the... Okay, we see this one. The first method we see here. The pink line, golden cross, upward cross the green line. Buy or not? So here we buy or not?
Second one better. Second cross one.
Sometimes have second cross, sometimes only one cross. So here we buy or not?
Yes.
How many positions? Small position, because still have the green color, okay? Then the price is like this. So here, we buy here. So here, buy again or not? Why? Okay, we see the red MCD or above the 25 and the volume increase, right? Increase a little, but still increase. And the purple line up or down? and inside the red MCD. So here add position or not? Yes, okay. Then if we add position, so here buy or not? Add position or not? The third buy point. When we see the purple line upward across the pink line, add position or not? Yes, okay. Yes. Maybe have some green. So you'd better buy a little, okay? Then we see here. If you buy, the price is also the same. Then here you sell or not? So here, the green MCD appears, sell or not? Because you buy here, you earn money or not? Yes. So here we sell or not? Some said sell, some said no. Okay, we see here. First one. The green MCD appears right. And the multicolor dragon is still above 50. Sell or not? We wait, okay? Because the multicolor dragon is still above the 50. So we still wait. So here, buy or not? This point we buy or not? Wait. Okay, we wait. So here we buy or not? This point we buy or not? Why? So here we buy or not? We don't know, right? Because we see here. Maybe you think it's so high already. Then we buy or not? This one we buy, this point we buy or not? Okay, we see the multicolor dragon. The red MCD is above 25, right? And the purple color inside the MCD. The purple line is up, but we can see the volume. Increase or not? No. Okay. Cannot buy. Okay. So here we buy or not? This point we buy or not? This point we buy or not?
No.
Buy or not? Why? You scared because it's so high already. Okay, we see the multicolor dragon. Above the 25, the first situation, and the purple line inside the red MCD. The volume increase or not?
No.
It's the same. Can buy or not? Also can buy because the volume never decrease. Okay, so we still can buy. Then here we sell or not? Why?
Green coming.
Then we should use the method because we see here the price is sharply dropped, right? And the volume is so high. If you earn money, sell or not? Sell. Okay, maybe you think drop a lot, maybe still have chance. But if you learn this method, you sell here. Okay or not? Should I sell? Then maybe here you sell. Okay, then we wait. Maybe the price up again. Okay, so here, buy or not? Here, buy or not? This point we buy or not? So high already, you buy or not? Fine, okay? Then if you have, you sell or not? Why? Because the primatical dragon is still above 50, so no need to sell. But we see here, sharply drop. Then we see this one.
BB, they like this counter. Play for so long. Get down. So drop already.
This one you sell or not?
Sell.
But the green MCD appears, but the red MCD is still above. So here we sell or not?
Maybe this is not a good example. Like stop.
Yeah, this is a good example. Give me one more, okay? How to spell?
MIR.
Mirage.
C60.
This share. No volume. Here is no volume.
Maybe possible.
Okay, we see here. So we see this candlestick. So here say buy or not? Can buy or not? Why? We see here, golden cross or not? The pink line golden cross the green line, but the red MCD is still inside. So buy or not? This is the buy point, but you should small position because so many green color inside. If you see the green MCD inside, the price still will up, but only here is you should buy small position. Okay, then you buy small. Here is the buy point. You buy small. Maybe you